welcome inside today's video. Today, whoa, what the heck? My sprinkler just hit me. But anyways, today's video is I'm going to be talking about my farm. And, well, it's not really a farm, but you get what I mean. But, like, last video I talked about I had chickens. And I'm going to be showing you my chickens and ducks. My chickens, that's my Ducky. And then right there, right next to Ducky's the white one, and right next to Ducky is Quacky. And there's all my chickens. See, we kind of built this little nesting thing where it looks like their nesting box where they can have their eggs, where they lay their eggs in. And we just feed them some chicken scratch. Ducky. See, look. And then we hanged, so these are our solar lights. And we also hanged, like, the food bowl up on the ceiling and the water bowl. Them two. Ducky! You can hear them, too. We got these little leaf things to try to make it like look nice, and it's like it's like it's like decoration, but we put it here that's like a privacy thing. But this is what we have here. So this is like a little kiddie pool, but the reason why it's dirty is because the duck, my duck always gets in there, and my duck is always dirty, so we have to clean it all the time. So this is more of like the privacy thing we put here. Obviously, it's not real. It's like made out of some kind of weird thing. But yeah, this is all the stuff from when we moved here. But yeah, we'll get it out later. We built this because my chickens before they were flying out, so we built them all the way high up. So that's how it is. And we also got an electric fence because my dogs like to try to pester them. So yeah, that's why we got an electric fence. So, all this is from, like, grass that we got ripped up and put in here. Ducky! If you guys want to see videos about, like, about my chickens, I have an entire channel dedicated to that. It's called Animal Time. I'll link it in the description below. But it has my chickens, ducks, and even my cat, Zoe. So, don't forget to subscribe to that if you want to see more animal content on this channel. There's Ducky. And then there's Quacky right there. See, I got the black ones are actually the black sexlings. Those are actually my aunt's chicks, but we're taking care of them because she wanted some. So we got them until she comes over here. So we're taking care of them until she comes here. So, yeah. You can hear Quacky. Quacky! 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 She's thirsty. Ducky! So hopefully Ducky and Quacky can have babies because actually Ducky is a boy. And so them two can have babies and hopefully, yeah. Here they are eating their food again. Ducky! Ducky's the biggest one out of these all the chickens. And later in the future we're gonna get more ducks and chickens. So look. See like how we hang them from like that and that. These are the lights, but we haven't turned them on yet. We're gonna turn them on soon. But yeah. Ducky! It looks like Ducky's smiling. Look how beautiful. Look, you guys can't see through the camera, but in real life it looks so beautiful. Becky wanted some water. That's why she was over there quacking. Quacking. And then there's my other chickens who are eating their food. We're gonna have a load of eggs. Like all of them, we're gonna have a lot of eggs. At least one of these chickens are a rooster. We don't really know which one's a rooster. Well, we know some of them are hens, but we don't know, like, well, some of them are hens, but we don't really know if we have a rooster, but hopefully we have a rooster. Becky. If you guys want more videos with my ducks, chickens, and with my cat in there, I created a whole entire channel with all my animals in there, and I'll link it in the description below. So that is it for today's vlog. I know I haven't done a vlog in like maybe a year or something like that, but that's literally like the vlog of me like showing like my farm and my chickens and my ducks and all my farm animals. And hopefully you guys like this. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you